going on, guys? I picked shit in your face, Daniel. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for the information I'm about to provide. I get this question so often that I think we're going to address it. I actually just saw it in another group too. And it's so simple to answer, honestly. So let's get right down to it. If you like the information I provide, feel free to donate a cup of coffee to the channel or a gallon of gas for our travels or parts or whatever we need the money for. We use it for the proper things. I try to make as much helpful DIY useful content for you guys as I can. Feel free to join my membership program. I won't say no. Check out my merch. Nobody's ever bought anything. I've had merchandise for years and it's just nobody buys things. I'd love to see my shirt out there somewhere, or a hoodie or a hat or something. You don't have to, but it is appreciated. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. Let's get going. This one confuses a lot of people, and the reality is it's really simple to answer. You get coughing or popping out of your either your airbox or your carburetor or your throttle input, throttle body, I should say, for fuel injection. Pop, 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 or it's coming out of the airbox, pop, pop, or you have pod filters and it's coming out of your pod filters, pop, 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 whatever. It's backfiring from the carburetor. This is known as lean sneezing, and there's really only two causes for lean sneeze. Okay, lean sneeze is either number one, your timing is off, or number two, you're not getting fuel. And I would say an overwhelming majority of the time, it's you're not getting fuel, especially with carbureted bikes. They have all sorts of problems constantly with fuel issues. It's a lot less prevalent with, fuel injected bikes, but fuel pump failure, that's a big one that causes it. Fuel injector clogged also causes it. You got a cylinder only getting partial amounts of fuel, so it starts lean sneezing. But carburetors, oh man, you start having lean sneeze on carburetors. It's so prevalent. It's like it's an all the time thing for carb people. So, if you get backfiring from here, you see pop, you know what I'm saying? If you see this go pop and you see it shake a little bit, or you have this off and you see pop and there's a little flame that comes out, yeah, that's called lean sneezing. There's, like I said, there's really only two things that cause that. Timing being off, which is rare, and two, not enough fuel. So I hope that helps. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Show me some love. And like I said, if my information helped you solve your problem and make your life easier, it's $120 to $190 an hour to hire a mechanic to solve your problem. I just solved it in a 3-minute video for you. Now all you have to do is pull it apart, figure out why it's not getting fuel. I did you a favor. Do me a favor. That's all I'm saying. All right, guys. Toodles.